Dear students, today we will study forest and wild resources for class 10th. In this chapter, we will study about flora and fauna in India, depletion of flora and fauna, conservation of forest and wildlife in India, Project Tiger, types and distribution of forest and wildlife resources. Now, flora and fauna. In India, variety of flora, plants and fauna animals are found. There are many types of flora and fauna. Thus, it is one of world's richest country in terms of biological diversity. It has about 8%, around 1.6 million of the total number of species of plants and animals known in the world. However, at least 10% of India's wild flora and 20% of its mammals are of threatened list. भारत जैव विविधता की दृष्टि से एक धनी राष्ट्र है। यहाँ लगभग कुल जितने भी फ्लोरा एंड फोना विश्व में पाए जाते हैं उनका लगभग 8%, लगभग 16 लाख स्पीसीज प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स अपने यहाँ पाए जाते हैं। ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ extinction. Some of them are categorized as critical on the verge of extinction. These include the animals like the cheetal, mountain quail, pink-headed duck and forest spotted owlets, and as well as plants like Maduka insignis and Herbaria heptaneous, a species of grass. Facts related to flora and fauna. जो तथ्य हैं फ्लोरा और फोना से संबंधित. In our country till now 81,000 species of fauna and 47,000 species of flora are found. Of the estimated 47,000 plant species, about 15,000 flowering species are endemic to India. The number of threatened flora in India included 79 species of mammals, 44 of birds, 15 of reptiles and 3 of amphibians. About 1,500 plant species are considered endangered in India. Categories of species. Species की category. The International Union for Conservation of Natural and Natural Resources has put the plant and animal species in order to existence by the categories. First, normal species. Samanya. Species whose population level are considered to be normal for their survival, such as cattle, sal, pine, rodents, etc. ये सामान्य रूप से अपने यहाँ पाए जाते हैं। इस देश में ये सामान्य रूप से पाए जाते हैं, यानी इनका जो लेवल है वो जातियाँ हैं जिनकी संख्या जीवित रहने के लिए सामान्य पाई जाती है। इंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज, जो खतरे में संकटग्रस्त हैं। These species are in danger of extinctions. The survival of such species is difficult if the negative factors that have led to decline in their population go on operating. The example of such species are black buck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, loin-tailed macaque, Shingai, Bro, Enter, deer and in Manipur. ये संकटग्रस्त जातियां हैं. Vulnerable species. These are the species of population of which has declined. सुवेद जातियां बोलते हैं इनको. To level from where it is likely to move into endangered category in the near future. In the negative factor continue to go on operating. The example of vulnerable species are blue sheep, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin, etc. Rare species, दुर्लभ प्रजातियां, species which small population may move into endangered of vulnerable category in case the negative factors affecting from go to operating. The Himalayan brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, desert fox and hornbill etc. are example of rare species. ये दुर्लभ है. मानव के क्रियाकलापों के कारण इनकी संख्या दिन पर दिन घटती जा रही है. Endemic species. Endemic species are the species which are found only the some particular area. ये इन्हें कहते हैं स्थानीय प्रजातियां जो एक विशेष क्षेत्र में ही पाई जाती हैं. For the reason of their natural or geographical barriers, some examples are Mithun, a variety of cattle found only in Arunachal Pradesh, Andaman wild pig, Nicobar pigeon and Andaman teal, etc. Extinct species. Species which are not found after searching or known or likely areas where they may occur. The extinct species category consists of these species which are also not available captivity. Asiatic चीतल, पिंक हेड डक, जो विलुप्त हो गई प्रजातियां हैं उन्हें कहते हैं एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीसीज. अब ये जो खोज की गई है उनमें ये प्रजातियां नहीं पाई जाती हैं. इस प्रकार हमने विभिन्न जो फ्लोरा और फोना की जो विभिन्न प्रजातियों के बारे में अध्ययन किया. ऐसे सामान्य प्रजातियां, संकटग्रस्त, सुवेद, दुर्लभ प्रजातियां, स्थानिक प्रजातियां और लुप्त प्रजातियां. That's all for today.